Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make your own pickled onions. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from selecting your onions to enjoying the tangy, crisp results. It's a surprisingly simple recipe that adds a fantastic zing to many dishes. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create this versatile condiment right in your own kitchen. Let's get started on this flavorful journey. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of small onions, either red or white, for the best results. For the brine, prepare 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget your favorite pickling spices, such as a few peppercorns, a bay leaf, and a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Also, have your clean, sterilized jars ready. Now, let's prepare the onions and the brine. First, peel and thinly slice your onions, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick. Pack these slices tightly into your clean, sterilized jars. Next, combine the vinegar, water, salt, and sugar in a saucepan. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, stirring until the salt and sugar dissolve completely. Then, let it simmer gently for about 2 minutes. The final steps are simple. Carefully pour the hot brine over the onions in each jar, making sure they are completely submerged. Add your chosen spices to each jar. Seal the jars tightly with their lids and let them cool down to room temperature on your counter. Once cool, refrigerate them for at least 24 hours before enjoying. They will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 3 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.